When is it not worth to upgrade Sylius? That's the question we'll be answering today. My name is Łukasz Chruściel from Commerce Weavers, and I'm working with Sylius ecosystem from 2014. And today we'll answer the question, when should you upgrade Sylius and if it's a feasible option for you. Let's get to it. Let's start with the cases when upgrade to any platform is not a good option for you. First of all, if you plan to close the business or migrate completely within 2 years, upgrade to 2.0 isn't for you. At the end, within this year, you will still be receiving security updates, and a few months you could be fine on your own. The point is what to do if you plan to go further ahead. The second option when the upgrade to open source platform is not a feasible option is when your business became simpler than you originally expected. Over the years, Shopify and other SaaS platforms caught up with the features. Therefore, it may be a reasonable option for you to migrate to some platforms that already is hosted and you don't need to care about developers' time or servers that will maintain your application. Nonetheless, you need to remember that on the SaaS platforms, you're buying all the features that are there, even if you're using small part of it. Therefore, you need to calculate total cost of ownership of that platform. Perhaps Sylius is not a good fit anymore for you, but let's do the proper math for that. Now, the alternative is that you made your math, you will not close within 2 years, and SaaS will cost you too much. So what are the other options on the table? First of all, you could stay with Sylius, but on different version. Recently, Sylius launched 2 new themes and whole sets of products that are currently customized for B2B and marketplace needs, which are called Elesto and Dafre. And perhaps starting from the scratch on these platforms could be a feasible option for you. From my experience, usually rewrites are much more costable, but it of course depends on your needs, on your features, on the technical depth that you already accumulate, and on the version that you are already in. If you are below 1.10 or 1.8, then the rewrite could be a feasible option for you. From the alternatives, over the years, your team preferences could change. Therefore, in other ecosystems like JS, you may use solutions like Medusa or Venture that will suit more to the skills that your team possess. It's always important to take a look into your current team skills and adjust platforms also to them, because either your team will fight with the solution or you will need to hire a new developers, which is also some cost and investment into the future, which needs to be calculated if the switching to another platform is for you. The last option is you outgrow the market. Over the years, perhaps your store grows so fast that you actually start to encounter a limitation of the Sylius platform. Sylius 2.0 will not revolutionize your software experience. Therefore, perhaps going custom or replacing some parts of Sylius is a better way. One of the bigger platforms in the Sylius ecosystem is going directly to Go, just to handle the traffic that they're facing. And the last option that is on the table, but probably will cost you maybe not a fortune, but will be the most expensive option there, is that you stay with 1.0 and take the care of the security patches and fixes on your own by forking the solution. It may be some short-term solution for you, but it's never a good option long-term, so it should be avoided. Nonetheless, it is also on the table. Now, when we discuss the green version of your future with the Sylius, let's take a look into the bright one, when the upgrade actually makes sense. If your team still enjoys working with the PHP and would like to have newest stack under their belt, like the newest version of the PHP, Symfony and other libraries in our ecosystem, then upgrading a Sylius is for sure a good option for you. It would be nice if your store already reaches like €500,000 yearly of GMV. That means that it also can be justified with the numbers to upgrade with the Sylius. Lastly, would be nice if Sylius over the years prove you that it's a good fit for your solution. These 3 are the backbones of the decision to upgrade to the new version. It's worth noticing that even though SaaS platforms could be tempting, as you don't need to care about the infrastructure and you don't need to maintain the developers on your own to upgrade your store, With the era of AI development, with specs-driven development and AI augmented engineering, the cost of the ownership of custom solution, of flexible solution, should drop drastically over the nearest months. Therefore, the flexibility of Sylius could be a game changer and actually the competitive advantage if you are choosing to upgrade Sylius right now. To sum up, here's a simple framework that should allow to make up your mind easier. Do your team like to work with the PHP and Symfony? Is Sylius a good fit for your business? And does the turnover justify the expense? If you answer yes to all three of them, upgrade is your path. If no, let's talk about the alternatives. I offer a free audit. You will contact us and I will take a look into your codebase, understand your business needs and give you straight answer, no sales pitch. The link to that is down below in the comment section. Stay with us on the Commerce Weavers channel, subscribe to listen to the next video that will be in this series where I will cover how to plan your upgrade path if you decide to do so. See you in the next one.